Hello, welcome to another video. If you've been feeling mentally stuck or physically tight, we're going to work on that today. So we will start with some side stretches to build your strength and stability, and then we will do the big heart opener, the Chakrasana, or in English, the wheel pose. And by the end of this session, hopefully you will feel much lighter physically and mentally. So let's get started. We're going to start on tabletop position, cat-cow. So hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale, raise your chin up, opening the chest. Exhale and round your back. Inhale up. Exhale and round your back. Inhale and chest up. Exhale and round your back. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Come back to the neutral. We're going to twist to the side, looking over your right shoulder, to the left, and to the right, looking over the shoulder. One more time. Keep going like this. Come back to the center. Now, as you inhale, raise your right hand up to the sky, opening the chest to the side. And exhale, thread the needle, sliding the arm under. Inhale, raise your hand up to the side. And exhale, slide the arm under. Inhale up. And exhale down. Switch sides. Inhale, raise your left arm up. And exhale, slide it under. Inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Come back to the tabletop. Now, keeping your knees where they are, you're going to walk your hands forward into puppy pose. Melt your chest down to the mat. Breathe here. Now lift up slightly and walk your hands to the left. Place the right hand on top and melt down once again. You should feel a stretch on the opposite side. Walk your hands to the other side. Left hand on top and melt down. Come back to the tabletop. Walk your arms a few inches forward and tuck your toes in and lift your knees up into down dog. You can pedal your heels here. step forward into half fold and come up slowly. Feet together and raise your hands up. Inhale and exhale, bend full forward. Inhale, raise your head up and exhale into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale into upward facing dog. Exhale into downward facing dog. Take a step forward. Inhale into half fold and exhale into full fold. And raise your hand up. And down. So we're going to go a little bit faster this time. So same sequence, raise your hands up, inhale and exhale, bend full forward. Inhale up and exhale into plank pose. Inhale and exhale. Step forward, half fold, inhale, exhale, bend full forward. Inhale, raise your arms up and keep going, bend full forward, exhale. Inhale, raise halfway up. Exhale, jump into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Step forward into half fold. Bend full forward, exhale. Inhale, raise your hands up. And Samastati. Now step back with your right foot into high lunge. Raise the arms up, chest facing forward. Breathe here. Swing the arms around and turn the chest to the side and look forward towards the left fingertips. Warrior 2. And turn the left palm up. Bring the left palm over your head into reverse warrior. Drop down into downward dog. Step forward. Swing your arms up into high lunge. Swing your arms to the side, chest to the side, looking at the right hand fingertips. Warrior 2. Breathe here. Turn the right palm up and bring it over your head into reverse warrior. And come back to the front of your mat. Now take a step back once again with your right foot. Now face the toes outwards on both feet. You can have a slight angle if you like with your feet, and bring hands to the heart center and go down into goddess pose. Come back up. Go down. Goddess pose. Come back up. Go down into goddess pose. Come back up. Now bring the toes in again and switch the weight of your body towards one side, bending the knee and keeping the other leg forward, and bring the arms out to help you with the balance. This is called Skandasana. Switch legs. Right leg bent, left leg straight. Once again. Do a few rounds like this. All right. Come sit on the mat now. Bring the soles of your feet together for butterfly, and grab the feet with your hands and let the knees drop to each side. And if you want a deeper stretch, you can flap them like butterfly wings. Take deep breaths here. Release your hands and bring the left foot out, keeping the right knee bent. I'm just going to move back a little bit. Place the right foot against the inner thigh of your left leg and bend forward, grabbing the shin or the foot, whatever you can reach comfortably. Janu Shirshasana. Bend towards the left knee. Release and come back. Switch legs. Right leg forward. Left foot to the inside. And bend forward towards the right knee. Come back. Now lay on your back. Put the feet near the hips, arms by your side, and lift your hips up into bridge pose. Hold here. Go down slowly. One more time. Lift up your hips, and this time bring your fingers, interlace them under the hips. Push up even higher with the hips. If you want even deeper stretch, you can lift your heels up, balance on your toes. Release your fingers and come back down slowly. Now we're going to do the big heart opener, Chakrasana. So place your hands by your ears. elbows in. Make sure the heels are near your hips, and first push up with your hips and then the chest. So hips up and then press up into a wheel. Make sure your core is engaged. And come back slowly. Exhale. Take a moment. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Bring one knee to the chest, keeping the other leg straight. Hold it tight against your chest. Switch legs. Left knee to the chest. Bring both legs down. Put the arms into a T and bring the knees up and drop them to one side and look at the opposite side. If you want, you can use your hand to bring the knees down even further. Right. Now the opposite side. Bring the knees to the center and drop them to the side and gaze at the other direction. And come into Shavasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. That concludes our session today. Thank you for joining for another video, another yoga session with me. I hope you feel much lighter mentally and physically compared to how it was 20 minutes ago. And I will see you in the next video.